Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime at our channel TechZone. Für Leute von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, für Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we can speak about a new mining app. It's called Stela Network, and Stela Network, as you see, is very easy mining app. I let for you the referral link in description box. Also, when you try to register and have any problem, I let also my Telegram account, so it's easy to connect me to tell me what's the problem to try to solve it with you. As you see here, this is the mining ratio. I just posted it here. There are 10 available or 9 available for me right now about Stela. So it's easy to mining. The most interesting thing in the application right now, there is no KYC until now and nothing in white paper about KYC. Also, they need to they listed with 10 cent and write this in white paper. Let's check the white paper. We have to go to X and this X, and from X the website. From here it's very easy white paper, and as you see here, this is the white paper. They speaking about the problem: high hardware cost, massive electricity, complex technical setups. And this is the problem, and this is the way they try to solve it. Mining app anywhere, referral growth, fair launch, community milestone. For the price, this is the ratio of mining, and this is the mining formula, and this is an example. And also for launching price, as you see, target 10 cent per 1 STC. This is the simple, and the total blockchain 2 billion STC only. It's just a small amount of blockchain for blockchain, as you see. Also, if you go down, there are a roadmap, and as you see, the realized app on Android and iOS. Right now, I know only iOS, and reach 1K active mining user, 100K. I really don't know how much they have right now, and continue complete until you reach 1 million. When they reach 1 million active user, they will start for bash before it's launching STC listed. Nice thing here, they will make pre-sale, so it's only just we have to reach 1 million active user. I think, or I believe, in 1 year we can do it. For second time, I let the referral code in description box. You can easy join and easy access to Stela Network. For now, I can say to you goodbye, and if you have any questions, just ask us in our Telegram group. Goodbye.